What's going on, guys? We're about to embark on a 10-hour journey up north. No idea what it's called, but we're going up north to what Kanye said to be a new reality in Thailand. So wish me luck, guys, on the long road trip, and I'll see you guys up there. Kanye, what's the place that we're going to called?
Roy It.
Roy It? We're going to Roy It, 10 hours away.
Ew, I'm filming his butt. Holy shit.
And guys, the best part about remote sales is I can literally take calls in the car. I have a call in about 35 minutes. This fellow named Daniel, so hopefully we'll be able to close him. But I mean, if you're working at Racetrack Red Lobster, there's no way I could ever do that in a car.
Ew. ไม่น่าใส่หน้าหนูเลยนะแม่ดู
So
ได้
yeah, like
นะ
I was saying.
หน้าใส่กริ๊บ
Alright guys, we're 4 hours into the journey. 1 for 2 on the closes for today. About 800 profit in my pocket, not too bad. We got some snacks for the rest of the trip. I think we're gonna stop at my girlfriend's aunt's house and then continue on the journey tomorrow. Right now, guys, we're eating noodles in a ghost town. There's an abandoned hotel right there. Another one right there. It's just ghosts crawling everywhere. What's up, guys? We're now officially in the middle of nowhere. Went from a 9-bedroom mansion in Koh Samui to this place. It's not too bad, not too bad. It's just a big roller coaster of amenities, if that makes sense. But hey guys, look, we got cows over here. There's chickens. Actually, I got woken up by the chickens. They're like, cock-a-doodle-doo. The dog started barking, and that's when he knew the sun has risen. So didn't get that at the villa. We got that here, so that's a very nice thing to have. Very good amenity. But for today, I have no idea what we have planned. I think we're gonna go head up north a little bit more. But yeah, guys, life is quite a roller coaster. Staying at literally the best villa in Koh Samui to coming down to a farm. You get to be very grateful, even more grateful for that villa, 100%. So yeah, now guys, I'm gonna show you guys the bathroom. Instead of like flushing, you just like put the water in the toilet yourself, and not too bad. And then this is like the bath, a shower. I'm not really quite sure. And yeah, other than that, guys, the house is actually pretty good. It's got like 4 bedrooms, 5 bedrooms, so it's pretty big compares to the villa, but maybe not the quality, but you know, it has the quantity, so not too bad at all. Click a few buttons and I make money, but of course that hasn't happened yet. Alright guys, we are in the unknown town of whatever it is up north, exploring an unknown house. This is where Kanye happened to grow up. Why is it built on stilts again? Flood?
Huh?
Why is it built so high?
I don't know. Doesn't make sense anymore because basically this house was built first. It was so high. This house built like later on. So like I don't know exactly. That's to store a rice. You know, it used to be like a lot of people here. It's like a really big, like a big table. Every time I come here, it's gonna be like a gathering, eating. Everybody like around the neighborhood come here. So we eat together, like a lot of people eating. It's like really, really precious experience when I was a kid. I always come here like once a year, twice a year when I was a kid. Now it's like once every like 3 or 4 years.
We're now at Kanya's dad's rice field.
นี่คือที่นาเรา
Hopefully we can whip the drone out and show you guys the
นี่แหละหมา
landscape
ที่
from
ย่า
above.
มาแล้วมันออกมา
Looks like the dog over there has been taking care of the place since Kanya's dad's been gone.
มันสลอเสร็จแล้วว่า
Let's check
เข้า
it
มานั่น
out.
นะแต่มันกระดิกหางใส่เขาดิบอกเอาตีว่าอะไรมา
Receptionist. You are blonde as just like him.
Is that boy or girl?
I think it's a girl. How am I zoom in?
The right. Alright guys, now that we're on a side quest to catch a fish.
Catching a fish or maybe just jump in the water.
Hopefully not jumping in the water. I only brought 2 pairs of clothes, so a bit unprepared. But I'm prepared to catch a fish though. Come here. Hey. Alright guys, we changed out of the white underwear and now we have all black on, so we're good to go. Well prepared now.
มาไข่มานาเด้อเมื่อนี้มีหมามาพร้อมเด้อเมื่อนี้
ยังผู้ชาย2 คนโผกันจุด
บอก
อะไรพากันยางออกไปคนไม่ยากสิลุงไม่ยากเขาพูดกี่ย่านดีนะ
Guys, we're gonna catch the biggest fish known to Thais. They're gonna think it's like an alien.
Okay.
We're gonna catch it with their bare hands. And just bite it to assert dominance.
And a little helper.
You guys smell that? I can smell the fish. Some big ones in there.
ใส่ปาก
มันบอกว่าได้กินปลาตัวใหญ่ ถือกินปลาตัวใหญ่แล้ว
มันมีหนา
This is what we've been training for our whole life.
ไม่บ่รู้ว่าน้ำบ่น้ำ
มั
บ่
น
รู้
ว่าย
ว่า
น้ำเป็นบ่ล่ะเก่ง
Can you swim?
Yes.
Okay, good.
These waters look
อัดบ่เป็น
uncharted.
เลยจะแอบจังบ่
เดินนี่เดียมันเป็นยังไง
He's in.
น้ำลึกหรือเปล่า
Go in.
เอาลงงูหาดิแฟน
บ่งูหาแบบบ่ทำหา
Like get down low and then like feel in the fish.
มันไอ้ที่ต้นมืออธิบายอยู่มันจะชนมือ
It's gonna kick your hand if there's any fish.
เห็นบ่เนาะได้กินบ่
แต่ลุกเป็นนี่ตัวละแม่นหนีบ่
แม่นบ่อยากได้จริงด้วย
เดี๋ยวถ่ายรูปก่อนถ่ายรูปก่อน
มันได้
จับ
อีห
ไว้
ลีวะ
จับไว้จับไว้
จำไม่แน่
ห้ามหลุด
จับ
นะ
แน่นๆนะ
Catch it high, tight. Catch it
โอ
tight.
เคเดี๋ยว
Hold it tight.
ได้ปลาแล้วเว้ยได้ปลา1 ตัวแล้วเว้ยเดี๋ยวมาจะบอกเนี่ยเฮ้ยกล่องไปแล้วเนี่ย
เหรอโอ๊ย
หมดไปแล้วไม่จะแตกกัน
It's lip off.
อยู่นี่ก่อนนี่
วันนี้จับปุ๊บ
Hold it and then like throw.
วาน
Throw like hard. โอ้ยมาหามึงเลย
มันไม่กระจายไง
Okay, now to the other pool.
Alright guys, we're about to take a shower now. They basically just have 2 barrels of water, which then of course we just pour over our head. Get nice and clean. Went from 5-star villa to 1-star hut. Let's go. Ah, it's a fucking lizard. Alright, so now, nice and drenched. Guess what? They have some heads and shoulders, which we're gonna use. Get nice and tidy. Whew. Just jumped in the pond, caught a fish, and now we're back to the luxurious lifestyle of soap and water. Alright. If you asked me at the villa if I was going to be taking a shower in the hut, I'd call you crazy. But it's not too bad. I think we're pretty clean. So now it's just time to dry off, change, and then we're going to go for the rest of today. Whew. Shit. That's the most highest test activity I've ever done. I feel like a fucking animal. Caught a fish with my bare hands, showering in a hut, out in the wilderness, in Thailand in a rice field. I mean, how much more nature can you get into? Alright guys, so I'm glad I said this is like the average day in the life of a hot ticket closer, because I actually do have a call in like 20 minutes, 30 minutes. Boom! Alright guys, that's pretty much it for the day. We're gonna go find somewhere to sleep, because otherwise we're gonna have to sleep outside here, getting eaten up by mosquitoes. So we're gonna go find a hotel or somewhere to sleep. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.